In this video, I'm going to show you 9 machines that people are buying and using to make some really good money. Some are making a few $1,000s a month, while others are hitting $10,000 or more. And number 1 on this list is on a completely different level. Someone bought this machine, started at a small farmer's market, and now they're making over $500,000 per month. And the craziest part, it's not even the most expensive machine on this list. So, without wasting any time, let's go through these 9 machines that people are using to build real income streams. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 9. Laser Cleaning Machine. This machine lets you charge up to $200 per hour for something that costs less than $1 to run. It removes things like rust, paint, grease, and carbon buildup by simply pointing the laser at the surface and pulling the trigger. There are no chemicals, no scrubbing, and no need to take anything apart. The laser burns off the unwanted layer and leaves the base material untouched. This technology has actually been used to restore ancient artifacts, including Egyptian monuments and museum pieces. Now, that same method is being used in everyday business. Most people run this as a mobile service. They load the machine into a van or trailer and go directly to customers. These can be auto shops, metal workers, antique restorers, or even city maintenance departments. Businesses typically charge between $100 to $200 per hour, while the machine itself only costs about 60 cents per hour in electricity to run. That creates strong profit margins. Entry-level machines start around $3,800, while higher-end systems can go up to $35,000. According to data from operators, the average first-year revenue is about $127,000, and around 85% of people become profitable within 18 months. This is still a new service in many areas, which means low competition and a lot of opportunity for early movers. Number 8. Cotton Candy Vending Machine. This one is designed to grab attention instantly. It's a robotic vending machine that makes cotton candy right in front of the customer. Kids and adults can walk up, choose a flavor or design, and watch a robotic arm spin and shape the cotton candy before handing it out. The entire process is automated, so once the machine is set up, it runs on its own. You just need to refill supplies. One example is a 22-year-old who originally tried placing a pizza vending machine but couldn't get approval. He switched to this machine, placed his first one, and it performed so well that he expanded to 10 machines across amusement parks in different states. He mentioned that his first machine paid itself off within just a few weeks, although most machines usually take about 3 to 6 months to break even. Now, with multiple machines running, he is projecting around $500,000 in yearly revenue. The key here is placement. High traffic areas like amusement parks and event spaces can turn this into a strong passive income stream. Number 7. Flower Vending Machine. This idea focuses on convenience and timing. Imagine someone walking into a hospital late at night or arriving at an airport, and they see a vending machine filled with fresh flowers. They tap their card, and a bouquet is delivered instantly. No waiting, no store hours, just quick access when people need it most. These machines are placed in locations like hospitals, airports, and event venues. They are refrigerated and built with temperature and humidity control to keep the flowers fresh. Owners typically restock them 2 to 3 times per week. The machines usually cost between $8,000 to $15,000. According to manufacturers, a well-placed unit can generate around $3,000 to $6,000 per month in profit from a single machine. While this idea is still growing in the United States, it's already proven in other countries. For example, thousands of these machines are already operating in places like Japan, and large companies have expanded this concept across multiple countries. The demand is clearly there, and since it's still new in many areas, there is room to get started before it becomes crowded. Number 6. Freeze Dryer Machine. This machine turns cheap candy into a premium product people pay 5 to 10 times more for. It removes almost all the moisture from food, which changes the texture while keeping the flavor. A popular example is candy. When you freeze-dry candy like Skittles, they expand into light, crunchy pieces that taste more intense than the original. People love it because it feels like a new product. One example is a teenager who started this business at 14. By the age of 16, she had built it into a full operation with 8 machines and 25 employees, and her products were being sold in places like zoos and theme parks.
I feel like the candy like this, it will take 6 hours.
Oh wow. With Aubrey all started 4 years ago.
He's like, that looks cool.
So Sink saved up for a freeze dryer of her own.
A good quality machine costs around $2,000. Raw candy might cost about $2 per pound, but after processing, that same amount can sell for $16 to $25, creating a huge markup. Another story comes from someone who started by selling freeze-dried food, then tested candy at a local farmer's market. The response was so strong that she shifted completely to candy and turned it into a full-time income. This machine allows you to take everyday products and turn them into something unique that people are willing to pay more for. Stay tuned, because the next few machines can turn a basic service into up to $10,000 per month. Number 5. Hydro Dipping Machine. This one is all about customization. It allows you to apply detailed patterns and designs to almost any object. The process is simple. A special printed film is placed on water, and when you dip an item into the tank, the design wraps perfectly around it. It covers every curve and edge, making the item look like it came from a factory. People use this for gaming controllers, car parts, helmets, and more. Pricing depends on the item. Smaller items like controllers can go for around $40, while more detailed work can range from $200 to $500. To get started, you need a dipping tank, a spray booth, proper ventilation, and materials. Once set up, this becomes a service-based business where customers bring items to you. One example is a retired law enforcement officer who started small after discovering this process. He learned the technique, got certified, and built a 3,000 square foot workspace. Over time, demand grew so much that he expanded into a 9,000 square foot facility. This business grows through word of mouth, especially when customers see high-quality custom results. Number 4. Ice Cream Rolling Machine. People don't just buy this, they stop, watch, record it, and that's what drives more customers. You start by pouring a liquid ice cream base onto a freezing cold metal plate, around -30 degrees Celsius. Then you mix in flavors chosen by the customer, spread it out, and scrape it into neat rolls using metal spatulas. The whole process takes about 3 minutes, and it's very satisfying to watch. That visual element is what attracts people, especially at farmers markets and events. Machines usually cost between $400 to $1,200. Ingredients are low cost, around 50 cents to $1 per serving, while each serving can sell for $7 to $12. That creates very strong margins. One example started at a local farmers market and built a loyal following. Customers kept coming back, even adjusting their schedules just to buy from them. Eventually, the demand grew enough to open a full store. The key idea here is that you are not just selling ice cream, you are selling a visual experience. Customers often record the process and share it online, which helps bring in even more people without extra marketing. If you want more real business ideas like this, hit the like, subscribe to the channel. It helps push this video to more people. Number 3. Rug Tufting Gun Machine. This simple tool turned into a full business, with people making hundreds per session in just a few hours. It's a handheld device that pushes yarn through a fabric base at high speed, allowing you to create custom rugs, wall art, and home decor. Before 2020, this was mostly used inside large factories. But once videos started going viral online, it quickly became popular with everyday creators. Now, people are building businesses around it. The tool itself costs around $250, and a full starter setup with materials can range from $400 to $800. But the real opportunity is not just selling rugs, it's running workshops. People charge between $80 to $150 per person for a session. Each session can have around 8 to 10 people, while material costs are only about $20 to $30 per person. That means a single session can bring in $400 to $1,200 in profit in just a couple of hours. One example is someone who built a full business around this, selling supplies, hosting workshops, and growing a large community. Others have grown big audiences online by sharing their creations. This works well because people enjoy hands-on experiences, and they often share their work on social media, which brings in even more customers. If you think that was impressive, don't leave until you see the top 2 machines. One of them is already helping people land contracts worth over $50,000. Number 2. Gum removal machine. There are millions of pieces of gum stuck on sidewalks, and businesses are paying good money to remove them. This machine uses high-pressure steam, sometimes combined with a cleaning solution, to remove gum without damaging the surface underneath. It's fast, effective, and in high demand in busy areas. This is usually run as a service business. You take the machine to different locations like schools, restaurants, stadiums, and shopping centers. Many of these places need regular cleaning, so it becomes repeat work. Machines can cost anywhere from a few thousand up to around $7,500 for higher-end models. Businesses typically charge about $1 per square foot or around $100 to $200 per hour. From what I found, a single machine can generate about $4,500 to $10,000 per month, depending on how many jobs you take on. Some companies even land yearly contracts worth up to $50,000. One example is a business owner who built a 6-figure income just focusing on gum removal, working with large clients like government buildings and major public locations. It's not a flashy business, but it solves a real problem, and that's where the money comes from. Number 1. Nut Butter Stone Grinder Machine. This simple machine helped someone go from a small market stand to over $500,000 per month. The process is straightforward. You take raw nuts like peanuts, almonds, or cashews and grind them using a stone grinder into fresh nut butter. It's done slowly, without heat, which helps keep the natural flavor and nutrients. At farmers markets, people are drawn to the process. They watch the grinding happen in real time, and the freshness makes it very appealing. Sellers also add unique flavors like honey, chocolate, cinnamon, or even spicy options to stand out. A quality machine can cost between $450 to $2,800, depending on size. Raw nuts usually cost around $1.50 to $2 per pound, and the final product can sell for $8 to $10 per pound, creating strong margins. One example started with about $2,500 and a single machine at a farmer's market. After building a following and creating unique flavors, their business took off. A single viral video helped them reach over $500,000 in monthly sales. They later expanded to multiple machines, employees, and large-scale production. This idea works because it combines freshness, customization, and a product people already love, but with a new twist. So those are 9 machines that people are using right now to build real businesses and generate income. Most people overthink starting a business, but as you saw, some of these started with just one machine and a simple idea, and scaled to thousands per month, even hundreds of thousands. If you're serious about building income, start with one. The main idea here is simple. These machines can give you a starting point. Instead of overcomplicating things, you can focus on a physical product or service, show up in the right location, and let the process itself attract customers. In many cases, like farmers markets or local services, your product becomes your marketing. You don't always need ads or advanced strategies to get started. And as you saw from some of these examples, what starts small can grow into something much bigger over time, even reaching $10,000 per month or more, and in rare cases, scaling to $500,000 per month. If you like learning about unique ways to make money, simple business ideas, and low competition opportunities, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who may need it.